I studied new viral YouTube channels, especially channels that have gained huge success over a very short time period, like a month or two. And I understood the reason behind their success. They have all invented a unique niche that no one else is doing, or they have taken the existing niche and have made videos in a unique style. With that knowledge, I discovered a completely new AI niche that you can start right now and gain success faster. Now, just to understand what this niche is, I'm going to play a video I created.
Ever notice how the moment someone yawns near you, whether it's your friend, your dog, or even a random cartoon character, you suddenly feel the irresistible urge to yawn too? Like your brain's playing follow the leader without your permission? Well, it's not just you. Yawning is actually contagious. And no, it's not because your body needs more oxygen or because you're secretly bored, though let's be honest, sometimes you are. Scientists have studied this sleepy mystery and found that contagious...
Okay, basically this niche is about explaining things under 2 minutes using cartoon animation. Now, you don't have to worry about the cartoon animation part, it's super easy to make with AI. Since these are not short videos, and every video is under 2 minutes, you can probably post at least 1 video per day, and within a month, your new channel will have 30 videos. And I'm gonna do this niche with you guys, so let's start with the channel branding. This part includes creating a name, description, logo, and banner for your channel. I'm just gonna use ChatGPT for these steps, honestly. I've already made a document with all the prompts you will need, so download the prompt from the description and follow my exact steps. I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 name ideas for a YouTube channel about explaining things under 2 minutes using cartoon animations. Then I thought this specific name, called BiteToon, is perfect for this channel. Then I asked it to generate a short description as well with some suitable keywords. Then I got this amazing description. Next I asked ChatGPT to generate a simple logo with a yellow color tone. The result I got was actually amazing. Even if this design is simple, I really like this style. Then I asked ChatGPT to generate a banner image with the same color as this specific text in the middle. Now, you can follow these same exact steps. It will only take around 5 minutes to generate these. Once you are done with these, you can go ahead and create your channel. When creating a new channel, make sure to use an old Gmail account. If you don't have an old account, you can use a new account, but make sure to warm up for at least 3 weeks before uploading videos. If not, your channel will get shadow banned and you can't do anything about it. What I meant by warming up the channel is that basically log into YouTube using this new account and watch videos, like while there's comment, and be an active user for at least 3 weeks. Then you can start to post videos. When it comes to content creation, you first need to find video ideas for this new niche. That's why I specifically created this unique prompt to generate any number of video ideas you want. You just need to copy this prompt and change the number of video ideas you want. Just like this, ChatGPT will give you unique video ideas. Now you need to create a video script. This script must be under 2 minutes, and it should be funny from start to end, and it should start with a hook so that we can instantly grab the viewer's attention. Now with these 3 important things, I have made a prompt to generate the video script as well. All you need to do is insert this prompt into ChatGPT and add the topic of your video to this, then ChatGPT will generate an amazing script for your topic. As you can see here, we have an amazing and funny script with a good hook. Now we have several steps left: voiceover creation, cartoon animation creation, and the whole process of video editing. Normally, you have to use at least 4 AI tools for this process. 11 Labs for voice will cost $22. An AI image generator like Midjourney or Leonardo AI will cost $12. An AI video generator will cost around $39. And finally, a video editor like CapCut will cost you $10 a month. Now, what if I say there is this one AI tool where you can access all the new AI models, including voiceovers, AI images, AI videos, and video editing. It's called AIvideo.com. I'm going to use this AI tool to create our first video. I'm not going to gatekeep anything. This is not a free AI tool. Honestly, there are no free AI tools. So the best thing you can do is to find a cost-friendly tool like AI Video that provides all the services in one place, which is what I recommend. Their basic package starts from $19 a month, which includes all the capabilities I mentioned above. So I discussed with this AI tool and got you guys a discount. You can use this promo code and get a 20% discount. So once you sign up for your account, you will come to this page. Here you can either generate a video from your script, which is like a complete automated process, but for our niche, we need to make everything from scratch. So let's go to this editor. Before generating visuals for this video, we need to make the voiceovers. So let's select this voiceover feature. And you can check these AI voice and select a suitable voice. Then just copy the script like this. As you can see here, voice generation is completely free. They aren't going to charge any credits for this. Now, just like this, you can copy the whole script at once or part by part and generate the voiceovers. Voiceovers part is completed. Now let's make our visuals. First, we need to generate some cartoon style images for this. Basically, it all depends on the prompt that we are going to use. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and give this command, which is act as a prompt engineer to generate prompts for images for the following requests. All images should be in the Simpsons cartoon style. Now I'm going to just enter something like this: a man yawning. As you can see here, we have a detailed prompt to generate an image. Let's copy this and go back to the AI video. Let's go to Visuals and select the images from this list. Now as you can see here, we have access to all of the best AI image models. Based on the quality and the time it takes to generate an image, they charge credits. You can check these models and select any model that you prefer in terms of credit consumption. I'm going to go with this OpenAI image model because it will give you more accurate images. Then you need to select the size of the image as landscape, and let's generate one images. While it's generating, let's go back to ChatGPT and make another prompt like this. This time, the image has 3 characters, a man, a dog, and a cartoon character. So let's copy this prompt to AI video and generate. Our previous image has been generated, and it's absolutely amazing, exactly as I expected. And the second image is perfect as well. So just like this, you need to generate images to match the script of your video. So I took some time and generated all the images we need. Now you can download these images to your device, then we can convert them into videos. Once you download all the images, we need to convert those into videos. For that, you need to select the image to video feature. Then click this upload option and add the first image you need to convert to a video. Then we have all of these best AI video models. You can select any of these models and use them to make videos. Again, based on the quality of the model and generation time. They're going to charge different credits. I'm going to go with this Kling 2 model. As the prompt, you can add the same prompt that we use to generate images, then make sure to select the size and duration. Let's go with 10 seconds each clip. Just like this, you can convert all the images that we generated into videos. So, these are the videos that I created. Now let's edit these and make the final video. First, you need to drag the voice over that we previously generated to the timeline like this. Then, the next step is really simple. Add the video clips we generated one after the other in the correct order to match the video script and voice over. Once you add all the clips to the timeline, you can go to this transition feature and add a suitable transition between the clips. It will make your video look good. Then you can go to the captions option and enable the captions of your video. As you can see here, we can customize the captions with this menu. We can change the font, size, and colors as well. We also have some pre-made caption presets that we can select. So it's really simple to select one of these caption styles. Then you need to go to this music feature where you can search for any type of background music, or you can upload a music file from your device and use to in the video. So I'm going to add this music file, which I just uploaded, to the timeline like this. Let me show you another cool feature. If you go to this sound effects site, you can generate any type of sound effects. You just need to type what you want, and this tool will generate it, and this editing process will not charge you any credits. It's completely free. With that, the video creation process is done. You can click this download button and download the final video. And guys, that's how you can create viral videos for this niche. So I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. So for those who are going to start this process, I wish you the best of luck.